Look back. So we're kind of at the top.
Almost.
Lots of snow. Not much around. Walking through icy parts of Iceland, following people.
Very foggy.
Very foggy. They saved us by showing us the way.
We're coming down the pass. This path went up and over a path that's very, very snowy. And luckily the guy in the front, the leader, he's very good.
Yeah.
He made nice
The leader
footsteps.
The leader kind of knows where we're going. I think they've done this before. So I think we're in good hands. There's some people coming through. It's a pretty interesting landscape, but it's been very cloudy. Not much to see. So that's the mountain pass that we came in from. Now we're starting to see, I think, where we're going. It's almost bathroom break time. But I think we're headed down, somewhere down there. But it'll be good to be back on solid footing, not have to worry about falling back down over these mountain passes or anything. So hopefully it's a little clearer ahead. Group, it seemed like they were missing a few.
They're missing two.
Okay. The ones
The smoking couple.
Huh?
The smoking couple.
The ones that they spilled their food, I think.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yep.
It might have been like boiling water on them, which wouldn't be good. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Wow. Mountain pass that we came over behind me, and if I spin around, hopefully you can see it. This is where we're headed down to. That might be two down there walking up towards us. It looks like a pretty good spot. We'll be camping there overnight or moving on, I'm not sure. So we're headed straight up that. We have to go along the beach. It's gonna be a long way. We just got into camp and set up camp and ate, but we're on our way. This is supposed to be a water crossing right here, but I think it is low tide, so we may dodge that one, which is good because for some of us with shorter legs, the water crossings aren't so easy. They warned us about this one that it would be bad, so we may be lucky.
Lyle's testing out how deep the water crossing is. He's in the middle. It's getting up to his knees. And passing the knees. Yeah. All right. Told you should have taken your pants off. Yeah. That's about high thigh for me. I can do it. Yeah.
This is the view from across the bay. We went out on a night hike. It's not really dark, but it's night. Trying to get to the top of the Horn. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it. It's hard to find the trails, but we've been hiking for like 3 hours and it doesn't feel like we're getting anywhere. But trying to get up around this thing. So we made it to the top. We're tired, but this is the look down. It's a very steep drop, and then as we turn around, we're on one giant peninsula overlooking the campsite way back down there. It's gonna be a fun hike back. And then this is looking across. We're kind of on that, one of those things over there. How's the resting going?
Great. I'm back to hike. first route over the mountain pass and down to Horn, which is the first night stay. And the pass was pretty dangerous, I would say. Very wet, very cold, snowy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, and sometimes we couldn't find, like, it would be hard to find the markers if you didn't know your way.
And we were following a group of people.
Luckily, there were a group of 9 people, 9 Icelanders that knew their way, so we just followed them to get here on the first day. And my feet and my shoes were, and my socks were all wet because I stepped into the river.
But to make it quick, we're basically leaving a day early because the second and third hike look like they're almost impassable, especially because we don't know where we're going. And without anybody to guide us, we got to where we wanted, which we can't show, but it's the point out there we'll show later. But we got to see what we wanted to see. The next couple of days would be almost
just trying
impossible.
to get back.
Yeah.
Really.
So we got a boat that was here, paid a little extra, and are heading off to Reykjavik again early.
Yeah, especially because last night we took an extra hike last night, and we didn't even get back to camp until like 2:30, 3 o'clock.
In our underwear.
In our underwear. No, I had no underwear. I was
That's true.
wearing a blouse.
Yeah.
Because we had to cross over the river, and it was pretty much up to my waist.
Yeah, so it was a rough day, but we made it and got to see what we wanted.
Hey.
And now we're gonna sit on a boat for like 3 hours and hopefully nobody gets seasick.
I took my motion sickness medicine.
But they're over picking up a few more people and then I think we're heading out, so I think that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah.